Hey guys, this is Kevin. Today we're going to work on this ET-8550 and it got this 031006 error. It's pretty easy to fix. However, the first step is to casing and take the motherboard out. So today I'm going to cover how you take the motherboard out. First, we need to take this left panel out. And there's a screw there. We'll have 4 screws to remove. And here's the second one, and the third one is in the front, and the fourth one will be in the back. And after that, you sort of push the panel in this direction. This panel here is stop you, and I can show you how to remove it, but you don't have to remove that panel. And jiggle it a bit, and you should be able to slide it out. Now we work on the right side. And first screw is the same place, and the second one you have to lift up the ink tank cover, and the third one is in the back. Now we remove the right cover by pushing it this way. If you want to remove this cover, you sort of make it almost close, then lift it straight up like this. It can only be removed if you almost like close it and then lift up. Then the right panel can be removed easily. Now we need to remove the cables from mainboard. It's better to take off your iPhone and take a snapshot of each step when you remove any cable. So next time when you put it back, you know which cable goes where. Or you can go to BCH Technologies and go to printer parts and go under install, uninstall workflow, and you should be able to see this ET-8500 and ET-8550, and it will have a file with the pictures, and it will show you which cable goes where, so you don't have to worry about that. You can put the cable back. You need to remove those 2 FC cables and then remove this plug from the front panel. Now we're ready to take this front panel out. And we take out this screw. Underneath the tank, you're going to see a tab. Push that tab in and then remove a screw on the right side of the tank. And then go underneath the tank cover and pry it open. And then you can remove the whole front panel as one piece. Now you can see there are 2 screws on the bottom of the printer. Those screws called machine screws. They attach to the metal, so I have a finer spiral. Be careful, don't scratch the optical disc for the paper feed. Now you can pull off all the cables on the board. You need to buy a connection diagram, did you? We find a little spring here. It's loose here. Yeah, this is a customer unit for repair. It should be installed here, just in case you get your loose too. Next, there will be just a couple screws that screw the ground wire, and it's really easy to spot. Just remove those screws. And there's one more on the left. And then you can remove the whole mainboard. Okay, you can subscribe to my channel so you can get my next video, which is repair the mainboard and fix that at 031006 error. And update on my lemon trees. I still have this spider problem. I've tried everything, and the only thing it seems have a little bit help is this leaf wash. It's recommended by one of the viewers, and you're looking at $100 right here. Yeah, it didn't get rid of the spiders, so I still have spiders. With fewer spiders, but they still really bother me. I just put it outdoors after the winter's gone. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.